Welcome to our kitchen adventure AI style. Today, we're bringing three powerhouse cuisines together, Indian, Italian, and Korean, to create a mind-blowing dish, spiced butter chicken pizza with Gochujang Drizzle. Imagine creamy butter chicken, melty mozzarella, and a sweet spicy Korean kick, all on a crispy pizza base. Ready? Let's go! Let's start with the star of our dish, butter chicken. We're using 500 grams of boneless chicken thighs for maximum juiciness. Marinate the chicken. In a bowl, mix 1/2 cup yogurt, 1 tsp garam masala, 1 tsp cumin, 1/2 tsp turmeric, 1 tsp chili powder, tbsp lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Massage into the chicken and let it marinate for 30 minutes, or overnight for deeper flavor. Heat a pan over medium heat with 1 tbsp butter. Sear the marinated chicken for 5-6 minutes per side, then remove and set aside. Make the sauce. In the same pan, melt 2 tbsp butter and sauté 1 diced onion, 3 minced garlic cloves, and 1 tsp grated ginger until golden. Add 1 cup pureed tomatoes, 1 tsp garam masala, 1 tsp cumin, and salt. Let it simmer for 10 minutes, then stir in 1/4 cup heavy cream. Slice the cooked chicken and mix it in. Your butter chicken sauce is ready. Now for the Italian touch, our pizza base. Use store-bought or homemade dough, about 10 inches in diameter. Roll it out and place it on a baking tray. Quick and easy pizza dough recipe. Ingredients: 2½ cups, 315 g. All-purpose flour. 1 to 1 packet, 2 daisy, 1/4 tsp. Instant yeast. 1 tsp salt. 1 tsp sugar. 3/4 cup, 180 ml. Warm water, about 43 degrees to 110 degrees. 1 tbsp olive oil. I will post the video how to make a pizza dough. Spread a generous layer of our rich butter chicken sauce over the dough, leaving a slight border. Sprinkle 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese and a handful of fresh cilantro leaves. Bake at 220 to 425 for 12 minutes until golden and bubbly. The Korean twist. While it bakes, let's mix up a spicy gochujang drizzle, 1 tbsp gochujang, Korean chili paste, 1 tsp honey, 1 tbse soy sauce, and a splash of water. Whisk until smooth. The butter chicken meets Italian pizza with a Korean spice kick. Now for the final touch. A sprinkle of crumbled feta and fresh basil leaves for contrast. Creamy, spicy, cheesy, crispy. This fusion is next level. Yum! If you love fusion food, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what cuisines we should mix next. See you in the next delicious adventure.